Hello and welcome to your mediation session today. My name is Shannon Parker and I'm your mediator. I've been mediating for 5 years, so you can put your faith in me. I'd like to introduce the parties to one another. We have Stephen Johnson, who is the claimant today. We have Helen Johnson and Andrew Howell as well. Are you all happy to be called by your first names?
Yes.
Perfect. Can I confirm that you've all signed an agreement to mediate today?
Yes.
And can I confirm that you have authority to settle? So now I'm going to go on to describe the mediation process to you. It's a voluntary and non-binding up until the point of agreement. So by voluntary we mean at any point you are free to leave. Please let me know and we'll try and arrange something for you. And non-binding means that it's not set in stone up until the point of signing the agreement. This session is confidential, so anything said in this room will not be repeated, and I expect the same from you guys as well. The same goes for private sessions. Everything is completely confidential. These sessions are without prejudice, which means anything you say in this room or in the private sessions then cannot be used against you in court. But obviously we won't be going to litigation because the aim of today is to reach a settlement. The aim is that the parties use the process to find the solution themselves. I am just a tool to help, to aid discussion. I will not input my point of view or opinion. So let me just go on and reiterate my role. I will guide discussion, help clarify the issues. I do not take the role of the judge, as this is not litigation. I'm simply a tool to help, and any usual court rules of evidence do not apply. I'm not making a judgment, express a view or impose a decision. And now I'd like to hear the parties' opening statements. If you could please be quiet and respect one another. I'd like to start with Stephen, as he is the claimant today.
I haven't had a lot to do with the daily runnings of the business due to my other job as a maths teacher. However, I have attended board meetings and have been involved in those decisions. Our relationship as directors has got worse and we have lost business due to this. Helen has been very difficult indeed, and now we do not talk anymore. I just want this settled so that our business can get back to normal and to its current success.
Hey, thank you all for your opening statements and being respectful of one another. So let me just go through kind of like the runnings of what to expect from today. You obviously are currently hearing an opening statement from myself. I've just asked you guys as parties to present your view of the case. This provides each of you an opportunity to hear facts and issues and to hear what the other side emphasizes as important. And I can't thank you enough for being so respectful and not interrupting each other. From after this session, we'll go on to private meetings. Each party will have their own private room, and as I said before, this is absolutely confidential. With my private sessions, I'd like to start with the claimant, Stephen, as he brought the case today. So the solution here is the aim is to find one which works for everyone. When the agreement is reached, it's formalised at a joint closing session, and the agreement is put in writing, used, agreed wording, and everyone will get a copy. We will make sure everyone is completely and utterly happy when they sign, and all appropriate people will get copies that you feel as necessary. So in conclusion, thank you for participating. It's a very important process, especially to settle. It makes everyone's life so much easier. Are there any further questions that I can answer for you guys?
No.
Helen, Andrew, if you'd like to move to the adjacent room where tea and coffee will be available for you, and Stephen will move into our private session.